Welcome to Crystal River, Florida, the only place in the world where the locals are 1,000 pounds, shaped like potatoes, and somehow cuter than all of us combined. Yep, we're talking about manatees, nature's slow-motion marshmallows. Now this spot right here, Three Sister Springs. The water is so clear it makes Fiji look like dishwater. And every winter, hundreds of manatees come here for the warm 72-degree water, like a giant underwater spa day, minus the cucumbers on the eyes. Did you know manatees eat up to 10% of their body weight every day? Respect same energy when I hit the taco truck. Are gentle herbivores? Basically floating vegans with no drama. Have no natural predators? Not even gators mess with them. That's how chill they are. Crystal River is actually the Manatee Capital of the world, home to more than 800 of these chubby sea potatoes in the winter. The springs pump out over 250 million gallons of fresh water per day, keeping everything crystal clear. Hence the name. They didn't overthink it. People come from everywhere just to see these big, gentle giants glide around like they're late for absolutely nothing. And the best part? Manatees are friendly. They'll come right up to your kayak like, "Hey bro, you got snacks?" But seriously, no touching the manatees. They're protected, loved, and living their best Florida life. Think of them like celebrities. Look, admire, take pics. Just don't try to hug one or you'll meet the local sheriff faster than you can say, "Save the seagrass." So whether you're here for the beauty, the springs, or the manatees that look like baked potatoes with flippers, Crystal River is one of Florida's greatest treasures. A place where the water stays warm, the vibes stay chill, and everybody, even the wildlife, moves at vacation speed.